Good morning, everyone. Today we have to understand how to download and install Python. So first you will open Google Chrome and type here download Python. Here you also have to mention that you are going to download it for Windows or for computers. So Windows you can write even if you can have the version of Windows 7, Windows 10 accordingly you can write. Now you have to click on the first link download Python. Now go to download and click on Windows. Now this is the latest version released for Python. Now you have to scroll down and go to files. Now before downloading the version, you requires to check the properties from your computer and check which type of Windows you have. Like I have Windows 7 and then type of operating system. Like I have 64-bit operating system. You may have 32-bit operating system also, so you need to check first. Now accordingly you have to download. One you can download Windows embedded package 64-bit. One you can download Windows installer 64-bit. Windows installer 64-bit. It may take few seconds to download. Now open this installer in your folder and double click on this and run the file. Now it is saying setup failed. Why it is failed? Because this version is for Windows 8.1 and above. I have Windows 7 in my computer, so we don't have to download this version. We will again go to the same site and search for the version which suits Windows 7. Or you can directly write or you can go to the Google directly and write here Windows 7 64-bit. Download Python for Windows 7 64-bit or whatever the Windows you have. Now click on Python release Python 3.7.4. I hopefully this will be for Windows 7 64-bit. Now again go to the files. Now you have to click here Windows 64 executable installer. Once it will get download, you have to follow the same step. Open it in folder and run the file. Now you can customize installation. If you want to change the location for installation, you can go to customize installation. Next. Now change the location. I will make a direct folder of Python in C drive. So I'm going to remove rest of the path, C and then Python. Okay, install. Now this will again take few minutes for installation. Now, as you can see, we have a folder now in C drive with Python 37, but the software is still installing. So once it will be complete, you can open it and you can start using it. So now the message is coming, setup was successful. So it means it is successfully installed. Now click on this Python and this type of window will appear. This is DOS version of Python. You can also do the coding here, but it is always recommendable to use the shell version of window because it is more interactive and more user friendly. So how can we open this shell version? You will go to all programs, then Python 3.7, then click on the first. Ideally Python 3.7 32-bit. Click on this and this is the user friendly version of Python. You can start doing the coding here. For example, we are just going to write a simple program, print hello, how are you? This we have to print. So we will write first print, then bracket start, then double quotes, then double quotes close, bracket close. I hope it is clear to everyone how you can install Python and how can you use it. You have to make sure one thing, that the version which you are downloading, it should suit your or match your compatibility of your computer, the Windows or the type of operating system, that is system type.